Phrasal verbs used by native speakers. Figure out. I need to figure out how to solve this problem. Let's figure out how much money we need for the tour. Look after. He is old enough to look after himself. She is paid to look after the patients. Get at. My boss is always getting at me. We are determined to get at the facts. Go through. She has been going through a really tough time lately. I need to go through these documents before the meeting. Read through. She decided to read through the contract before signing. Make sure you read through your essay carefully before you hand it in. Read something out. My teacher read the comic out to the class. She read the book out to her family. Look out for somebody or something. Please look out for cars when you cross the street. As the older brother, you should always look out for your little sister. Fall down. Be careful on the slippery ice, or you might fall down. The heavy mirror fell down from the wall. Fall over. He tripped on the rug and fell over. The vase was bumped and fell over. Bear out. The facts do not bear out his claims. These results bear out what we predicted. Bring in. The government will bring in a new tax law. Her new project brings in a lot of money. Gear up for. The city is gearing up for the annual festival this weekend. We need to gear up for the final project deadline. Pair up with. I'm going to pair up with Tim for the science project. Everyone should pair up for the next dance. Cut down. I'm trying to cut down on caffeine. The editor asked me to cut the papers down to 100 words. Look back on. She looked back on her career with great pride. Whenever I look back on those college days, I smile. Hold on. Hold on, I need to grab my keys. Hold on a minute, I'll be right back. Turn down. She turned down the job offer. He turned down the coffee. Talk over. I need to talk this offer over with my friend before I accept the job. It was so loud in the restaurant that we had to shout to talk over the music. Leave out. She was left out of the conversation. He wasn't invited to the party and felt very left out. Take off. The plane will take off in 15 minutes. Please take off your shoes at the door.